Hi, Namaste. This is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. Today we are doing 5 mudra to reduce stress. So let us start. Close your eyes. We are going to start with Dhyan Mudra, Mudra of knowledge, Mudra of concentration. Let's do it. Close your eyes. Tip of your thumb and index finger. Press it properly. That helps to stimulate your nervous system. Now, second pose, second mudra, this we call acupoint mudra. Hold here. With index finger, you are going to put pressure and with your thumb. Hold for 10 seconds. Try to put some pressure. Close your eyes, relax yourself, relax your mind, release all stress. Now move your finger very slowly with a beautiful smile. Let's do this again one more time. Hold, thumb, move your finger, and release. Now we are going to do squeeze pose. Excellent pose for reducing stress, and honestly it is very good pose for reducing wrinkles also. So let's do it. Inhale, hold for 10 seconds, and release. All the muscles will get contracted. That help to increase blood circulation, reduce toxins. Let's do this again. Inhale, and release. Let's do Brahma Mudra, a very easy mudra. Okay, now thumb inside. Keep it close to your navel. Close your eyes and relax yourself. Release. Hold it for 30 seconds. Gradually you can increase it. Do every mudra minimum for 3 times and see the amazing result. Now let's do Prithvi Mudra. Your ring finger. Press it properly. Release. Vayu Mudra, index finger. Press it. Close your eyes. Release. Now make a fist. Close your eyes. Release. This is excellent to control your BP also. Now let's do it again. Thumb under your fist. Hold and close your eyes. This we called calm mudra. It brings more calmness, more relaxation in your life. So do this all easy mudras and see the amazing change. With this, guys, I request you stop eating oily food, junk food after 5. Your body is a combination of sun and moon. So after 5, do avoid it and drink lot of water. Every half an hour, half glass of water. Reduce all toxins from your body and always stay healthy, happy, beautiful. If you like, do share and subscribe. We'll come again. Thank you.